Before you send your first email in ActiveCampaign, there are some essential requirements you must complete. These aren't just checkboxes, they're the foundation for successful email delivery and compliance. Adding a physical address keeps you compliant with anti-spam laws, and setting up your sending domain proves you own your domain and tells email providers like Gmail and Yahoo that your emails are legitimate. In this video, I'll walk you through adding your physical address and setting up your sending domain. First, click Settings at the top right corner in your ActiveCampaign account. Then, click Addresses from the navigation menu on the left. Click the Add an Address button at the top right. A modal window will appear where you can enter your information. This can be your business address, personal address, or even a PO box. Make sure this information is accurate. It will appear on the bottom of every marketing email you send. Once you've entered everything, click the Add button to save your address. And there you go, your physical address is now saved. Note that only admin group users can add addresses, and you can also add multiple addresses if needed. For example, if your business has multiple locations. Now let's move on to setting up your sending domain, which includes both verification and authentication. Verification proves that you own the domain you're sending from. Authentication sets up the technical records that tell email providers your messages are legitimate. ActiveCampaign makes this process straightforward with an automated setup. You can use a manual setup if you prefer more control. I recommend an automated option for most users, so I'll show you that option today. If you don't have a domain yet, you can purchase one through ActiveCampaign or through other providers like GoDaddy. To set up your sending domain, click Settings, then click Advanced in the navigation on the left. On the Advanced Settings page, you'll see the Sending Domain section. Click Configure Domain to get started. Enter your domain in the field provided. Don't worry about including www or anything like that, just the domain by itself. ActiveCampaign supports major providers like GoDaddy and Cloudflare and others. If your provider isn't listed, you'll need to use the manual setup option instead. You'll be prompted to log into your DNS provider. This allows ActiveCampaign to securely access your DNS settings and create the necessary records. This process usually takes a few seconds, and once complete, you'll see a success message. Your domain will now show as authenticated in the sending domain table. The authentication status that shows all of your DNS records are properly configured. One important thing to know here, DNS records can take up to 24 hours to propagate fully across the internet. If you see a pending status immediately after setting up, don't worry, this is normal. You can click Refresh Authentication in the drop-down menu next to your domain to refresh the status. Let's recap what we've covered. You've added your physical address for CAN-SPAM compliance, and you've authenticated your domain by setting up your DNS records automatically. Now that your account is properly configured for sending, it's time to define what you want to achieve. In the next video, I'll show you how to set up business goals in ActiveCampaign, a powerful feature that helps you track progress towards your key objectives and allows active intelligence to optimize your campaigns around what matters most in your business. Once your business goals are defined, we'll build the assets that drive those results. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.